All right, here we are in Canva. Now this isn't going to be an in-depth Canva tutorial. If you really want to dive in and become a Canva pro, check out their resources on their YouTube channel. I'll link to it in the description below. We just want to make a simple slide to have something to work with in this tutorial. So first, let's find out what size we need to make our graphic. We can do that by launching Slide Schedule Pro, clicking File, Settings, and here we can see that the aspect ratio is 69 and resolution of 1920 by 1080. Great. So we're going to hop back over here to Canva, click Create a Design, and there we've got a 69 presentation matching what we have in Slide Schedule Pro. Cool. We're going to choose that. I'm going to hide this little helpful drawer we have. And we're going to start off with the a background color. We're going to make a nice navy color. I've kind of got a nice navy color in mind already. So I'm going to put that in there. Great. And then we're going to put an image in this. I think this image is going to be like for like a library before, during while they're open, a nice welcome slide to kind of greet people. So I'm going to get a nice image to illustrate that. Nice warm image we have here. Put that over on the side and scale it up. Great. And next we need some text. Got to welcome people, right? Let's add a header here and have it say welcome. And I'm going to use a little bit different font, something not as bold. And we'll put that about there for now. Great. And I'm going to copy that, paste it, and let's shrink it down a little bit. And let's have it say something really nice here, like, we're glad you chose to book it to the library today. Nice and clever. All right. And we're going to take that, we're going to left justify that, and do a little formatting. That looks great. I'm really happy with that. I think it just needs a little bit more of a design pizzazz. So we're just going to add some little elements in here, some nice design elements. I'm going to take this and scale it to like 26 pixels and corner those, and pick a nice blue color that'll work well with everything else. That looks good. There we go. All right, I think it's almost there. I'm going to copy and paste this one more time and put that right there. There we go. Yeah. All right, I think that looks good. Oh, I'm going to make one other adjustment. I don't like to use pure white or pure blue in graphics. So I'm going to take this and just make it an off blue color. There we go. It's subtle, but it's there. All right, this looks great. So let's export this as an image file so we can import it into Slide Schedule Pro. So we're going to go up here to File and then Download. And PDFs are great for documents, but in Slide Schedule Pro, we only use image files, keep things really simple. In this case, I'm going to choose JPEG and download. All right, there you have it. Next tutorial, we'll move on to scheduling slides in Slide Schedule Pro. We'll see you there.